Hey there, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Insta360 the ultimate waterproof 360 action camera that's packed with incredible features. With a half 48MP sensors, the X3 delivers stunning 5.7K 360 active HDR video and 72MP 360 photos. But that's not all, it also has a 4K single lens mode, perfect for capturing wide-angle footage just like a single lens action cam. And with advanced stabilization and horizon lock, your footage will always be incredibly smooth and level. Plus, the Insta360 X3 makes the invisible selfie stick totally disappear from your shots, giving you impossible drone-like footage and third-person perspectives. So, whether you're an action sports enthusiast, travel vlogger, or just love capturing your adventures in stunning 360, the Insta360 X3 is the perfect camera for you. Now, if you're ready to take your content to the next level, be sure to check out the link in the description to grab your very own Insta360 X3. Trust us, you won't want to miss out on this game-changing camera. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.